Hello, everyone. Today we're going over section 6.1, solving quadratic equations using the square root property and completing the square. In this video, we'll go over the class activity a little bit so you can get a preview of that, and we'll look at problems number 5 and number 6. Okay, so they have this link in the notes so that you can go to a polypad and you can use these manipulatives online. We'd like to kind of show you how you can complete the square using these algebraic tiles. If you look at this picture right here, it's kind of like a little chart that helps you see x minus 4 times x plus 2. So the green bar is x, and then these are 4 negative chips and then 2 positive chips. So x times x equals x squared. So the blue square would be x squared. And then negative 4 times x would be negative 4x. And then x times 2 would be 2x. And then these would be 2 times negative 4, which would be negative 8. All right, so how do I write this function? This quadratic is x squared minus 2x minus 8. So x squared minus 2x, so negative 4 plus 2 would give you a negative 2x, and then these right here, minus 8. So that's kind of a way to look at it in this cute little picture. If we go over to our algebra tiles, we're going to look at this one, x squared plus 4x plus 4. What would we put on each side? How can we factor that? Okay, let's take a look at the algebra tiles. All right, so if you go to that link, it'll take you here. And notice you can just drag these out onto the screen and work with the problems. So if I had x squared plus 4x plus 4, so that would be the blue one, plus the 2 green ones, plus the 4 little ones. So I can fill that in first. So I do x squared plus 4x plus 4, and then I can look at the factors that are on the side. So this is x plus 2, and this is x plus 2. So if you wanted to draw that, you could draw your x piece, and then you could draw your x squared piece, and then you would have 2 pieces here, which would give you 2x. And then you'd have 2 pieces here, which would give you another 2x. And then you would have your 4 as your constant. So x squared plus 4x plus 4. And the factored form would be x plus 2 times x plus 2. So x plus 2 quantity squared. All right, let's look at the next one then. X squared plus 6x plus 9. Can you figure out what this would be? Pause the video and take a look. All right. Now, once you've gone through that, you know that this is x plus 3 quantity squared. So x plus 3 times x plus 3, so you'd have your x bar here and your x bar here, and that would give you x squared. And then you'd have 3 on each side. And this would give you 3x when you multiply by x for this column. So 3 x's. And this would give you another 3 x's. And then this would give you 9. 9 as your constant. All right, I hope that helped you understand it a little bit, and we'll be back to look at what happens if there's not a perfect square. See you soon.